Sprouts! How are you?
This has been your first addition, Dino. Are you happy? Wow, it looks like you have more eggs to look after. Do you know how many eggs are there now? Shall we add them up? Up here, there are 1 and 2 eggs. And down there, we have 1, 2, and 3 eggs. We have to add 2 plus 3. So all the eggs together would sum up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 eggs. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The result of adding up 2 plus 3 is 5. Well done, Dino. Do you like adding up? Whoa, more eggs are falling down. Let's add them up to find out how many eggs in total you'll have to look after, okay? Up here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 eggs. And down there, we have 1, 2, and 3 eggs. We have to add 5 plus 3. So the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 eggs. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Well done, Dino.
Fantastic! You just did some addition with Dino. Now let's do some subtraction.
I see you're worried. Do you know what all those lines are for? You don't? They're the subtraction symbol. The minus sign. Do you know how to subtract? Don't worry, sorry. I'll teach you how. Whoa! These cupcakes look awesome, sorry. What is it? Are you hungry? Come on, don't be shy. Have one. In one bite? You're never full, sorry. Do you know you've just done a subtraction without realizing it? We subtract to know how many things we have left after taking away some of them, just like you did with these cupcakes. For example, before, there were 3 cupcakes on the table, and you've eaten 1. So, if we take 1 away from 3, there will be 1 and 2 cupcakes left. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Well done! We have done our first subtraction. See how easy it was? Yum, yum! These cupcakes are mouth-watering. But wait! Sorry! You've subtracted again without realizing. How many are there left this time? There were 5 cupcakes and you've eaten 3. So, if we take away 3 from 5, there will be 1 and 2 cupcakes left. 2! 5 minus 3 equals 2. Awesome!
Whoa, that was fun! Now I want you to come do some worksheets with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Now you complete this worksheet and show me how great you are at subtraction. Cross off your balls and see what you're left with. Here's a worksheet we can do together to practice what we've learned. I have 2 pencils. Bob gave me 2 more. How many do I now have all together? That means that I need to do some addition because I'm adding on more pencils, more. And all together tells us that we're doing addition. Let's see. I have 2 pencils. Bob gave me 2 more. That means I'm adding them together. So I have 2 plus 2. What is your answer? Put it on your worksheet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. Great job. Now we want to move on to our second question. 8 is how much more than 5? So if we want to know how much more 8 is than 5, we can use our number line where we have 8 markers here, 8 markers, and we can go from number 5 because we want to know how much more is 8 than 5. And we can go from 5 here. 1, 2, 3 jumps on our number line. So 8 is 3 more than 5. Or we can just do some subtraction. So we can take our 8 markers and now we're going to take away 5 to see how much we're left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 take away these 5 will leave us with 3 markers. So 8 is 3 more than 5. So put a number 3 here by number 2. Okay, let's move on to the other one. Lisa had 8 bananas. She sold 6. How many does she remain with? So let's write our working. 8 bananas. So let's put Lisa's 8 bananas here. And let's see how many she sold. If she sold them, then she doesn't have them anymore. We have to take it away. She sold 6. So that means we're taking away 6. How many are we going to be left with? How many does she remain with? So I had my 8 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bananas. And now I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 2 bananas. So here we're going to put Lisa remains with 2 bananas. Now, do you remember more than and less than? They want to know. This question is asking us 5 is how much lesser than 9? Okay, so we know that 5 is less than 9, but how are we going to write that? It's a subtraction question. So 9 is going to be first 9, and then we're going to take away. How much are we going to take away? 5. Good. Now when we take away 5, 9 take away 5, we have to work it out. Okay, 5 is how much lesser than 9? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 take away 5 is 4. Therefore, 5 is 4 lesser than 9. Let's move on to the other one. Tom brought 9 books to school to sell and remained with 5. How many did he sell? So these are Tom's 9 books. The 9 books. Don't laugh at my books, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books. And what did they say? He brought them to sell, and he remained with 5. So if he remained with 5, it means that he remained with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If he remained with it, it means that he went home with those 5. So it means that he sold the others. How many did he sell? He sold this one, this one, this one, and this one. He sold 4 of them. So how many did he sell? 4 books. Now let's move on to the other one. Mina bought 8 cups. 8 cups. Let's buy 8 cups. Okay guys, here are my 8 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you like my smiley faces? Okay, let's see what we need to do here. She broke 3. She broke 3 and 2 were lost. So let's see, she broke 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, she broke 3. And it says that 2 were lost. So she had this and then 2 were lost. Where did they go? Okay, so how many cups did she remain with? Yes, but let's work it out in a statement. She had 8 cups. She broke 3. So that means 8, take away 3, and we were left with 5. And then from our 5 cups, we lost 2. 5 take away 2 cups. We were only left with 3. So in the end, she remained with 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. Great job, guys. You guys have been doing such an amazing job today that I think it's time for phonics. We're doing the sound ug. 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 So we have b, m, t, h, r, and j. So you have to put these sounds, these letters, in the correct area. So you can put b, a, g, bug. Fill out the others. Here's an easy worksheet. We always say and write it is. So write it is in the spaces. Here's an example. It is a pig. Pig. It is fat. Fat. Let's do number 1. It is, and you have to trace this part, a dog. Do you see the dog? Great. It is a ruler. Do you see the ruler? Point it. Great. It is a bird. It is a pencil. It is a table. It is a snake. It is a frog. It is a cow. It is an egg. It is a cat. It is a pig. It is a chicken. Plurals with es. Nouns which end in an xs, ss, sh, ch, and sometimes o add es to make the plural. Bus will now be buses with an es at the end because bus ends in an s. Glass ends in an s, so we also add es. Glasses. Do you see the es at the end? Kiss. Kiss ends in an s, so we add es to make it plural. Kisses. Dish ends in sh, sh, so we add an es to make it plural. Dishes. And wish also ends in sh, the sh, so we add es to make it plural. Wishes. We do the same thing for brush, so that it will be brushes with an es at the end. We do the same thing for fox. It ends in x, so to make it plural, we add es. Foxes. Box ends in an x, so to make it plural, we add es. Boxes. We do the same thing for words that end in ch. Branch will now be branches. Branches. Witch will now be witches. You see witch ends in ch, so we add an es. That will make it witches. Some words that end in o, like potato, need an es at the end to make it plural. We also have superhero. Superhero ends in o. To make it plural, we add es. What about tomato? Tomato. Yep, we add es at the end of tomato to make it plural. Tomatoes. What about piano though? When we have words like piano, we don't add es. This is a special one. We just add s. So we don't add es to this one, only some words. Ciao! New words are formed by adding es. Some words that end with o, x, and s, when es is added to them, they mean more than one. 1 potato, 5 potatoes, 1 box, 2 boxes, 1 dress, 3 dresses. So we have to complete this table. Here is a video that you can look at before you finish. And the last part of this worksheet requires you to circle the letters that made the words mean more than one. So you're circling the es at the ends of the words.